Okay, excited to do a review on this backflow preventer. This is a perfect item I'm going to use to hook up the irrigation system for my lawn. A couple key things I wanted to point out. So you do have bleeder valves on both ends. So you can turn these screws, take this cap off. It actually has a super nice design where you can keep dirt and debris out of here. So when you're having water flow to your backflow preventer check valve, you can make sure that you've got water coming up to the check valve itself, having your port closed or your system turned off on your irrigation, and do the same thing on your outflow. So you can pressurize your system depending on what type of irrigation system you have. I'm going to run an Irrigation system, so I can actually have all my heads turned off, and we can go ahead and make sure that water is flowing to everything before we're turning the system on. A couple really key pointers. When you are first sending water to your backflow preventer, you want to make sure you have the water turn on and pressurize your system quickly. You can actually hear your valve, your float in here, the diaphragm, that is your backflow preventer. If you turn it on slowly, sometimes these don't sit and orientate correctly in the actual backflow preventer, and it can leak. You can actually have water come out here, and it won't give your ability to have this thing be turned off. Now you've got these super nice big 1-inch ports, super easy to turn them on and off. Now they do feel stiff when you first start to open them up, so you might want to take a wrench to open them up, but they have a very nice tight seal. Super solid design. It's an economical solution compared to what you'd get for other brands on the market, and it's going to work perfectly fine. You mount this on the outside of your house, have your water come in, and then you can feed your irrigation system. 1 inch is going to give you a ton of volume of water. Keep that pressure so you've got really good irrigation, water flow to your entire lawn. 10 out of 10 recommend this. I'm going to get this thing hooked up and installed. Just wanted to do a quick video. Comes nicely packaged. You've got your instructions, which lay everything out. They even give you some Teflon plumber's tape so you can get this thing set up in a way so that it won't leak. Definitely a solid option so you've got really good irrigation in your lawn, in your home. That's my review. Hopefully it helps you guys out.